Monkey left.
Become smaller.
Monkey
You have to become smaller to do
Monkey
it.
left.
Go up while you still can.
But where do you do it?
Go. He's that way.
Look.
He got me. He got me.
Go, guys.
He's coming. Yeah, I'm coming. That's where I'm going.
He's right here, guys.
I don't have
Yeah, you have to go.
Hurry up.
Let's go swim.
No, it's too fast.
He's back there.
Spooderman. Spooderman. Does whatever a spooder can. Spins the
Bro,
web.
he did the Roblox turn. He did that Roblox turn, and then he just here. Oh, he isn't there.
Yeah.
Hey, I see the monster. I'm turning around. I'm gonna be a rock star, bro.
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna be a rock star. Run. Go.
Yo,
The
come
button.
PvP and
Button, boss. Get the button. Run.
press it.
It'll save it. It'll save it. Bro, just run. Just funny run, bro. No, I ain't going that way. I'm.
Nah.
Oh my god. Get the key card. Get the key card.
Okay.
Careful, because he's coming.
What do
He
you?
will be coming, so just stay there.
Wait, guys, wait. Guys, I got the key card.
He can't come here. He can't come
Show
here.
me. Show me where key card is.
It's right here. It's right here.
I got
It's
it.
right here. To the right.
Where is it? Show me where it is.
It's right here. And
Where?
In here.
Where? I don't see it. Guys, he's gone.
Up here.
Wait, it isn't grabbing it. Oh, there you go. I got it.
good.
Then
It's
you
right.
gotta make your way over to the science lab.
Stop making me push.
When did we go? Guys,
Go,
somebody
guys.
risk it. Where do you gotta go?
The lab. Go into the science
Hey,
Go, guys,
I ain't
go.
risking it. He's going the other way. Go. Oh, no. Oh, run. He's going around. He went the reverse, bro. He hit the round, bro.
Behind you.
He hit the merry-go-round. Wait, he goes in a circle. Once he leaves, you run for your life. Once he leaves, you run for your life. Once he leaves, he's going to the other side. Once he leaves. So run for your life. I'm in the lab. Nice. Now just run. Run. Hi. Let's go.
This level's easy. No, he looked fast. Then I thought. Dubba 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 dub.
I said a meow.
Well then. Go! Run for your life! Run for your life!
He's not that scary.
What, level 4? Level 4? Level 4 looks scarier. You know how it looks scarier?
Instead of one.
You know how to
There's
spawn
two monsters
armies?
instead of one.
You know Left 4 Dead and you spawn armies? Wait, imagine if there's no people, but you will stay by yourself, but you're scary of level 4. Oh, you know what's scary? On the sounds. They're mad when they're mad at the sounds. Hurry up before this record gets too long. It's not gonna be no service. Is that level 5? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no. My VR is about to die, so I'm just gonna go.
No. 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 And how am I gonna play this level? Guys!
Where are you guys?
Guys, why do you left? This guy left me. Level 5 is here. Level 5 is here in level 4. Level 5 is here. Level 5 is coming.
Where's everyone?
It's
Guys,
hell
I'm
now.
jumping over it.
Level 5 is hell now.
What's coming?
Level, juke him. Guys, let's juke him. Dude.
I think the keyboard already in the TV.
You still can't beat me.
I already did.
Guys, go to the lab.
Guys, why? Who's gonna go
Go to
level
the
3?
lab.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Guys, he's already out. Go to the lab. Guys, go to the lab.
Who's gonna go level 3 with me? There's no people with me. Go, go, go. I would extract the monster and you will go to the lab, yeah? I would extract the monster and you guys go to the lab. I would extract the monster and we'll
Go to the lab. Go to the lab. Go to the lab.
Where do I go now? Where do I go
We're gonna go level 3 to me. You haven't put the key card, you're blind. Go here, guys, go here.
Goofy, ah ha ha. He can't get you.
He can't get you because
Haha, that's why you can't fit, you fatty.
we're gonna go level.